Task 21U. Create a new web page that contains a hyperlink to prepare an email message to be sent to graham.a.brown@hotmail.co.uk. All right, with the subject line IGCSE book. All right. Okay. So to do this now, I'm going to create a folder in my task folder, which is called task 21U. I've done that already, so I'm going to just minimize that. So I'm going to, of course, load Notepad++. So I'm going to create a fresh web page. So I'm going to have doc type HTML. Okay. So of course HTML, close that with HTML. So within the HTML, I'm going to have the head. So I'm going to have the head here, and then a close tag, close head, right? So I'm going to have body too. Sorry, I'm going to have body, and then close body, right? So within the head, I'm going to have the title tag. Okay, so I'm going to close the title again. So within the title, let me call it task 21U. So the action will be in the body. So let me create a paragraph. So paragraph P, and then close the paragraph. So within this paragraph, I'm going to have click here to contact us. Click here to contact us. Full stop. Click here to contact us. Now within here, so I'm going to end it with, I'm going to put it within an A tag, just like we did in other hyperlink tasks. So I'm going to, sorry, A tag, yeah, close it here. So within the starting tag, I'm going to have href. So equals. So I'm going to put everything in quotation in here. So I'm going to have mail to colon. Now Graham.a.brown at hotmail.co.uk, I suppose. Yes. So of course I'm going to have what's it called? This will take care of, this will break this into subject and then the email. So I'm going to have subject here. As you can see, I did not leave any space, so don't leave any space. Equals, so I'm going to have IGCSE. So this will take care of the space 20. Okay, so always put this. So I have book. Yeah. All right. So if I've done that, so it's time to save. So I want to make sure that I save within my task 21U folder. So make sure you are in task 21U folder. So I'm going to have task 21U.htm. So I'm going to save this as an HTML file. All right. So now I've done that. So I'm going to go back to my task 21U folder and then try to open this in a browser. Okay, so this is the link here. So whenever you click this link is going to open your email app. Okay, and then of course from here you can type whatever you want to type. You can type anything. When you're done, you can click on send. All right, so this is how it's done. So if you have any contribution, any question, you can always leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and share. All right, thank you.